Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like teaching computers to think and learn. Imagine, a robot that learns from what it sees and hears. AI is a bit like that. It helps machines do tasks that usually need human intelligence. This can include understanding speech, recognizing images, and making decisions. AI works by using data. Lots of data. It learns from patterns in the data to make predictions or decisions. Think of AI as a smart assistant that gets better the more it learns. It doesn't have feelings or consciousness, but it can perform tasks that seem smart. People often confuse AI with robots. While robots can use AI, AI itself is just the brain. It's the software that can be in anything, not just robots. From your smartphone to your car, AI is everywhere. AI is not magic. It's a tool created by humans to solve problems and make life easier. Understanding AI starts with knowing it's about machines learning from data to do tasks intelligently. AI is part of our daily lives, often without us even noticing. One common example is voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These smart helpers can answer questions, play music, and control smart home devices. They understand our voice commands and respond intelligently. Another everyday AI is recommendation systems. When you watch Netflix or shop on Amazon, AI suggests shows or products you might like. It learns from your past choices and tries to guess what you'll enjoy next. This makes finding new things easier. AI is also in our phones. Features like facial recognition use AI to unlock phones. It learns what your face looks like and recognizes it to keep your phone secure. AI also helps in organizing photos by recognizing people and places. These examples show how AI helps us in simple ways. It saves time, makes tasks easier, and adds convenience to our daily routines. AI is quietly working in the background, making our lives smoother. In healthcare, AI is a game changer. It helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. AI systems can analyze medical images to find problems like tumors. This means patients can get treatment sooner, improving their chances of recovery. In education, AI personalizes learning. It can adapt lessons to fit each student's needs, helping them learn better. AI tutors can provide extra help outside the classroom. This makes education more accessible and tailored to individual learning styles. At work, AI automates repetitive tasks. This frees up employees to focus on more important work. In factories, AI-powered robots assemble products quickly and efficiently. In offices, AI helps with scheduling and data analysis, improving productivity. AI in these fields shows its potential to improve lives. It makes healthcare more effective, education more engaging, and work more efficient. AI is transforming these areas, making them better for everyone involved. AI has many benefits. It can handle large amounts of data quickly, saving time and effort. AI improves accuracy in tasks like diagnosing diseases or predicting trends. It can work 24/7 without getting tired, making it reliable for continuous operations. However, AI also has downsides. It can lead to job loss as machines replace human workers. This is a big concern in industries like manufacturing. AI systems can also make mistakes if they learn from biased data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy is another issue. AI systems collect and analyze personal data, raising concerns about how this information is used. There's also the risk of AI being used for harmful purposes, like creating deepfakes or cyber attacks. Despite these challenges, AI's benefits are significant. It's important to address the negatives while embracing the positives. AI has the power to transform industries and improve lives, but it must be used responsibly. AI is making life easier in many ways. For instance, AI-powered translation apps help people communicate across languages. This is especially useful for travelers who need quick translations on the go. AI breaks down language barriers, connecting people worldwide. In agriculture, AI helps farmers monitor crops. Drones equipped with AI analyze fields to detect issues like pests or disease. This allows farmers to take action early, improving crop yields and reducing waste. AI is helping to feed the world more efficiently. AI also assists people with disabilities. Voice-activated devices allow those with mobility issues to control their environment. AI-driven apps help visually impaired individuals navigate using audio cues. These technologies empower people to live more independently. These stories show AI's positive impact on everyday life. It's making tasks easier, improving efficiency, and enhancing accessibility. AI is a tool that, when used well, can greatly benefit society. So, many people have concerns about AI. One worry is about job security. As AI takes over tasks, some folks fear losing their jobs. This is definitely a valid concern, especially in industries where automation is increasing really rapidly. There's also fear about AI making decisions. People worry about machines making important choices without human oversight. This includes decisions in areas like healthcare or finance, where, honestly, mistakes can have some pretty serious consequences. Privacy is another big issue. AI systems collect a lot of personal data, and people are concerned about how this data is used and who has access to it. There's a need for clear regulations to protect privacy and make sure data is used ethically. These concerns highlight the need for careful AI development. It's important to address these issues to build trust in AI technologies. Open discussions and regulations can really help manage these concerns effectively. The future of AI is honestly super exciting and full of possibilities. AI is expected to become even more integrated into our lives. It's going to keep evolving, becoming smarter and more capable. This could totally lead to new innovations we can't even imagine yet. AI might help solve big global challenges. For example, it could be used to fight climate change by optimizing energy use or predicting natural disasters. AI could also advance healthcare by discovering new treatments, or maybe even curing diseases. However, the future of AI also brings challenges. We need to make sure AI is developed ethically and used responsibly. This includes addressing issues like bias, privacy, and security. It's really crucial to have guidelines and regulations in place. The future of AI holds great promise. By preparing for its challenges and embracing its potential, we can create a better world. AI is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can lead to some incredible advancements. Understanding AI is super crucial in today's world. As AI becomes more prevalent, knowing how it works helps us make informed decisions. It empowers us to use AI technologies effectively and responsibly. Learning about AI actually opens up new career opportunities. As AI grows, there's a demand for skilled professionals who can develop and manage AI systems. This includes roles in data science, machine learning, and AI ethics. Education about AI also helps address concerns. By understanding AI's capabilities and limitations, we can better manage its risks. This knowledge enables us to advocate for ethical AI use and contribute to policy discussions. AI is shaping the future. By learning about it, we prepare ourselves for a world where AI plays a major role. It's an investment in our future, making sure we can navigate the AI-driven world confidently. AI is transforming our world in some pretty profound ways. It's making everyday tasks easier, improving industries, and opening up new possibilities. While AI does present challenges, its benefits are really significant. Embracing AI means addressing its issues responsibly and leveraging its potential for good. As AI continues to evolve, it's important to stay informed. Understanding AI helps us use it wisely and advocate for ethical practices. By embracing AI, We can shape a future where technology enhances our lives and solves global challenges. The AI era is here. By learning, adapting, and innovating, we can harness its power to create a better world. AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in progress, ready to help us achieve amazing things.